Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Amber B if you're new to my channel, and today, as you can tell by the title of the video, I am going to be decorating my apartment with Christmas decor. Finally, I actually went shopping for the Christmas decor as soon as they put out things in the store. I was super excited. I had planned to decorate right after, and it just did not happen. I'm actually doing this right after Thanksgiving, so today it's I think Saturday, and you guys will see this the following Sunday. And yeah, so it's gonna get done. I'm super excited. I'm gonna be recycling and reusing my Christmas decor from last year, but I'm gonna be doing a completely new look, okay? So definitely be sure to check out my videos that I did last year for some different inspiration. I'll leave that playlist of just all things Christmas above in the cards and down below in the description box. But this year I'm going for kind of an all gold type of theme, and I already have the decor, thankfully, because I've been kind of buying things over time. And yeah, so I'm super excited to show you guys what I come up with, and I have some little things that I'm gonna DIY and put together too. So let me show you guys really quick what I'm gonna be doing with the tree, and then all the other little, little trinkets and stuff around the house. All right guys, the lighting is kind of weird in here, but here are all of the ornaments that I'm going to be using today. So this is just kind of a combination of ornaments from Michael's, Home Goods, and Target as well. So I'm just going to be doing very neutral colors this year. So white, gold, just different shades of gold, and then clear. I didn't really want to do any color last year. I did the blue and then I did red. By the way, y'all, excuse these bags. I'm actually gonna probably try to do a Christmas organization type of video. So let me know if you guys would be interested in that, because this is a mess right now, and how I store my Christmas decor is honestly very it's very sad. So let me know if you guys would be interested in that. But yeah, so this is kind of the vibes for this year. Of course, we have, this to wrap around the tree in gold, and then the tree skirt as well as gold. So it's gonna be all gold vibes. And the tree is already up thanks to my fiance, because I definitely did not feel like pulling it out and putting it together. So he put it together for me. So shout out to him for doing that. And then the fun stuff is already laid out on the countertop, and I just have to arrange it around the house. So I don't know if you guys remember this. If you watched my Christmas kind of shop with me vlog, definitely check that out if you haven't. But I found this at Home Goods, and oh my gosh, I absolutely love it. I'm gonna actually maybe add this little bow to it. I thought that would be a cute little touch, and just a opportunity to add more gold into the mix. And then of course I have this little sign from last year. Don't know what I'm gonna do with this yet, but this year, instead of the countdown, because that's what I did with the sign last year, I have this little cute little countdown block, and so I can count down the days of Christmas with this. And then just some other little cute little trinkets, trees, pine cones, and I absolutely love how the pine cones smell. These are some little decorative pieces that people usually stick on top of their tree. I'm gonna make little arrangements out of these, so stay tuned for that. Last year I put them in this huge little vase, but I'm gonna do smaller vases this year and do a huge candle and cute little stuff in this. So stay tuned for that. And I have all these vases. I'm gonna try to do some fun stuff with that this year, and this little fake snow. So I'm just gonna really just do a time lapse of this video, honestly, and just show you guys the whole decor process. I may do a voiceover and kind of, talk throughout the video what I'm doing, but yeah, let's get into it, guys. I'm super excited. So let's start with the tree. So first I'm starting with the Christmas tree. I'm gonna add the gold garland first, and then the tree skirt, and then the ornaments and the star last. And this was pretty simple. It did not take me a long time at all. I will say I wish that I would have got a bigger tree looking back, but it's okay. I'm gonna probably just replace this one when I move. But I really do love this tree. The only thing is I wish that it was a little bit more full. Now I'm going into the console and just arranging the console how I want to, and it changed at the end, so stay tuned for that. And then I am going in and wiping down my countertop, and let me tell you guys, I got so much glitter on my countertop from all of the products that I pulled out, so I definitely wiped that down good. And I made these vases for the countertop, so definitely check that out on my Instagram reel to see how I made it and all the materials that I used. And you guys, this process was so messy. I got glitter all over my face, so definitely, yeah, if you see glitter on my face throughout some of these clips, excuse that. It was a messy process. I am finally done decorating the house, and let me tell you, like, I had so much fun, but I forgot how much Christmas decor I had, so it was definitely a task, but it was so fun. So I didn't decorate this little area right here because, as you can see, I have my little desk right here. So I work from home, of course, in my 9 to 5 with everything going on in the world right now. So this has become my whole like desk area instead of it being like my dining room table. So I decided not to really do any decor on this area. But I'm gonna show you guys the rest of the house. I didn't do any decor in the bathroom too, or my bedroom, because I ran out of stuff to put in there. So I may or may not, I don't know, I may not go back to Target and get like some little small trees to place in the bathroom or the bedroom. I don't know, I haven't decided, it just depends how I feel, but I wanna show you guys the rest of the house. So let's get into it. All right guys, so you enter my apartment. This is what you see, and I absolutely love this like little moment right here. So I wanted to kind of do something different this year. Last year I did the little like the arrangement with those two into this like bigger vase, but I wanted to kind of break it up and then do like a candle in the middle, and so I really love that moment right there. And then I just have these little small trees from Target. These were like in the dollar section for $1. So I just have 2 of those on the side. Something minimal right there. Oh, I also have my little candle, my Christmas candle pine cone that I got from Home Goods. And I also showed this in the Christmas decor haul, so definitely check that out. I'm gonna leave that above in the cards. Also have my little naughty and nice sign right here with a little bow, and I think I'm gonna fill this with like mints, so like all like the winter mints, so they're white, so all white mints, or maybe some candy canes. I don't know yet, but I'm gonna eventually take the lemons out and fill it with like some seasonal candy. So let me know, what seasonal candy would you put in this jar? Comment down below. And then this is the back of what you see with like the little arrangement. So I have the countdown. So currently right now it's 27 days till Christmas, which is wild. And I just love how if you're sitting at the bar, you can still kind of enjoy the arrangement here. So love that. Of course, I told you guys this is my desk area. Oh, by the way, like I really love this sparkling water, so definitely check this out. This is like my favorite. All right, so then we have the living room. Of course, Bubbles is just chilling. Hey Bubbles, she's just chilling. And then we have the Christmas tree. Oh my gosh, love on the console. As you can see, here's some more Christmas decor. So all of this, like I said, all of this, with the exception of like a couple of items, is what I used last year. And I mean, it just goes to show you that you can like use and recycle old Christmas decor and just kind of style it in a different way. And so I am absolutely like in love with this like little area, the reindeer, and I don't know, it's just all like a little gold moment. So I love this. And this is like the little fake snow that I got from Michael's. It was pretty inexpensive, and they have coupons as well, so definitely check that out. And I think all of their like Christmas decor too is like 50% off, so check them out. But yeah, I absolutely love it, guys. Alright guys, that is it for this video. I hope you enjoyed this decorate with me / Christmas apartment tour. If you did, be sure to hit that subscribe button and like this video, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.